Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Do you know that you can set objects as a camera in Blender? If not, press number pad 0 to check something. So this is your object which is serving as a camera in Blender, and this is really bad because I can't see the object that I'm molding properly. So press number pad 0 again to go back. So as you can see, this is your camera and this is your object, and also this is your light. So select your camera, press N on the keyboard to bring the option tools right here. Select view, and as you can see, the local camera, check it first. Press on the box and select camera. After that, go back to the lock to object and select camera. After that, check the camera to view, and guys, you are good to go. So press N to hide the options, and press number pad 0 to see that we have our cube or object right in front of the camera. So this is how to fix this situation in Blender. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.